Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets. And today, my friends, we are going to talk about Epic Games. Epic Games is a private company, so it's not a company where you can buy the shares, the equity, on the stock market. No, that's not possible. So it's a private company. So, but the big question is layoffs at Epic. What impact will this have? So I'm going to talk about some overall reflections I have with regard to this, and then we going to dive into this letter of Tim Sweeney. So first of all, I like Tim Sweeney. I think he's a pretty cool guy, and I think he knows very well what he is doing. So, and if Epic Games would be at the stock market, I probably would be invested in Epic Games. So, besides of this, sometimes I'm complaining on my other channel that I want to have those games, those Epic exclusive, Unreal exclusive games on Steam, but this is always my perspective as a gamer. So hey. They are laying off people. So do they have problems? Do they have financial problems? And why are they always giving all of those free games? Because they have actually to pay the developers for those free games. And now comes my reflection, guys. So, of course, hey, no financial advice. But overall, my friends, we are in some sort of a mid-higher financial gaming market crash. As you can see here, Focus Entertainment, you see it here with DontNod Entertainment, you see it with Starbreeze. Yeah, well, obviously this performed for other reasons not good. We see it with Embracer completely shattered now, so I really wonder if Embracer will ever find a way back again, since they're also divesting a lot. As you see it here with Ubisoft, for example, which is coming back a little bit more, but overall still the stock chart looks terrible. And also here with CD Projekt, which fell today 8%, 37%. So maybe I should make a video about this. So now I decided to make a video today about this topic, guys. So you see this, there is some sort of crash going on. So, and this is in particular, not the AAA market. I think the AAA market is also affected. If less consoles are sold, if less PC games are sold, if in general, for example, a Final Fantasy 16 is not performing good, if a Phantom Liberty is not performing good, if a Payday 3 is a total disaster, yeah, those games are already a bit more double AAA. So AAA Final Fantasy, of course. So this means if Epic Games has problems, guys, if Epic Games has problems, so this could actually have an impact even further on those mid-tier gaming companies, because at the moment, every time they are giving Epic Games games for free that you can claim, and that I claimed a lot. Look, all of those games are games I got for free. So I didn't pay a single cent for those games. So, you've been seeing all those pictures now, but Epic Games was kind of buying those games and giving them to me. So, and the developers, the studios, they're also counting those free games in their overall number. So, but hey, now I just imagine that Epic Games would slow down with the free games, or also not getting the best free games, even a lower quality free games. So this would actually mean that a lot of those companies then also further would lose. So therefore, this could accelerate the game market crash that we are in at the moment. Guys, it's really overall, I would say, a very grim situation. But if you follow me here on my channel, you've seen that I talked also a lot about opportunities, but you always need time, and only invest money that you can lose. And of course, don't get the information from YouTube. So guys, here, that's also here, the Bloomberg article, 16% of the staff. If we then go, for example, here on Epic Games, this is the Wikipedia page you see. In 2020, they had 2,200 people. So we don't get so much information since, as I said, since Epic Games is a private held company, private equity company, but it's not publicly traded, so you get just information like this, but they're not really giving us any idea how much money they how much revenue they make, etc. So layoffs at Epic. So with that, I would say let's jump here into this letter what Timmy was writing. This Timmy Sweeney. Hi everyone. As we shared earlier, we are laying off around 16% of Epic employees. We are divesting Bandcamp and spinning off most of Super Awesome. So it's happening the same. That's Bandcamp, guys. That's Bandcamp. It's happening the same like with Embracer and with all those other companies. They were just buying Bandcamp, I think, very recently. For a while now, we have been spending way more money than we earn, investing in the next evolution of Epic and growing Fortnite as a metaverse-inspired ecosystem for creators. I had long been optimistic that we could power through this transition without layoffs, but in retrospect, I see that this was unrealistic. Hey, if he says this, a company that made a lot of money with Fortnite and buying all those free games for us, if he says this, guys, then, I mean, what does this even mean for all the other smaller companies? So, while Fortnite is starting to grow again, the growth is driven primarily by creator content with significant revenue sharing, and this is a lower margin business than we had when Fortnite Battle Royale took off and began funding our expansion. So they make a lot of money on Fortnite Battle Royale. Success with the creator ecosystem is a great achievement, but it means a major structural change to our economics. Epic folks around the world have been making ongoing efforts to reduce costs, including moving to net zero hiring and cutting operating spend on things like marketing and events. Not on free games, I'm saying this. But we still ended up far short of financial sustainability. Important. We concluded that layoffs are the only way and that doing them now and on this scale will stabilize our finances. We are also making some divestitures. Bandcamp is joining Song Trader, a music marketplace company supporting artists. Super Awesome advertising business will become an independent company under the Super Awesome brand, led by their current CEO. Kids Web Service, the parent verification consent management toolset, will remain part of Epic. Saying goodbye to people who have helped build Epic is a terrible experience for all. Hey, that's really bad actually. The consolation is that we're adequately funded to support laid-off employees. We are offering a severance package that includes 6 months base pay and in the US, Canada, Brazil, 6 months of Epic paid healthcare. We are offering to accelerate people's stock options vesting schedule through the end of 2024 and are giving 2 additional years from today to exercise the option. That's nice, so that's important. In the US, we are also offering to vest any unearned profit sharing from their 401k, and we will provide benefits including career transition service and visa support where we can. For those still at Epic, you will hear more from senior leaders about the path forward for your team. Epic's prospects for the future are strong. We have amazing game experience across multiple platforms. We have built the best engine in the world, and will be hosting Unreal Fest next week to bring the community together and spotlight things they are building with Unreal Engine and UEFN. Creators are making a living building for the Fortnite ecosystem with time in third-party games now exceeding first-party. We are cutting costs without breaking development or our core lines of businesses, so we can continue to focus on our ambitious plans. And about 2/3 of the layoffs were in teams outside of core development. Some of our products and initiatives will land on schedule and some may not ship when planned because they are under-resourced. For the time being, we are okay with the schedule trade-off if it means holding on to our ability to achieve our goals, get to the other side of profitability, and become a leading metaverse company. Oh my god, if Mark Zuckerberg could hear him leading Metaverse company. People hate Metaverse so much, especially Wall Street. So it's so funny actually. So what does this mean for Epic priority? So we are still focused on shipping our most succeed initiatives, the next Fortnite season and Fortnite Chapter 5. And we are not cutting any core businesses and are continuing to invest in games with Fortnite first-party development. So Fortnite creator ecosystem, Rocket League, Fall Guys, etc. Divesting, long company meeting later in October. What was the scope of the layoffs? 830, saying here around 250 people are leaving Epic through the divestiture of Bandcamp and Super Awesome. We are cutting costs without sacrificing development or lines of businesses. And will be there not more layoffs? No, these changes financially stabilize the business. Yeah, I mean, and if not, will there be more? If not, will there be more? The entire goal of this process was to make our cost structure more sustainable, and we believe that we have achieved this, so they believe it. Will Epic continue hiring? Yes, we will continue hiring for critical roles while maintaining net zero at our new size. That's it, guys. So, and then Project Liberty, blah, blah, blah. So, guys, this is it. This is it. So Epic Games. So I wonder if this is going to have an impact on the free games. I wonder if they would stop giving out free games, if this would have an impact actually on those smaller developers that are already suffering a lot, especially the public trade companies. But hey, guys, that's kind of big news. So here on Steam is still going. Steam is also privately held, so like Epic Games. So you cannot invest in Steam. All right, guys. So thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.